This is a model train layout. It requires some hours of work. As you can see, there are traffic lights and the trains are stopping. That's a red one. Yeah, the other one also red. The train stops. Another one. And off he goes. Right now it's coming out of the tunnel. This is where the main station will be. You can see the other one on the same track, waiting at the same traffic lights. Coming out of the tunnel, pressing one light, and the other one is red, so it's got to stop. Yeah. Right now the trains are running on the same track. As you can see, there are two tracks. The second one is working as well. But I wanted to show how all this automatic thing was made. Many thanks to Rob, who was kind enough to provide us with the schematics for the lights. Also for the detection system. As you can see here, this is the train detection system. All those lights show where the lights are on red. Yeah, and this one is the one controlling actually the lights. Don't mind the wires, there are a lot of wires. And this board here with the relays, this one controls how the trains move and stop at the lights. So, we had a small accident there, but nothing to worry about. I think I will make some more improvements to the track system and to the automatically detection system. I think there is a small problem. But as you can see, this is what you can do with some imagination and a lot of work. And it's not ready yet. Thank you.